Welcome back to my online video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you should be able to find the center of an arc that touches a circle at a point and a line. A graphic representation of this is demonstrated in this model. This would represent our line, which you have right there, and a circle radius C, which is placed here, and we have this circle which rolls along the path here until it touches circle C. Alright, circle C. Here, for us to find the center for circle B, we must first add radius of center circle C and radius of center B. Why? From this point, this circle has the center has a radial distance of this radius plus that radius, because this circle rolls along the edge of a straight line. It means therefore the radius is always parallel to this line, meaning whatever the radius is here is pretty much the same distance here. Alright, that's basically a practical application of that. Here we have a drawing. Please take note of that drawing. We have a line. Here we see we have a circle of radius 35, radius 30, which is placed at a distance of 35 millimeters from the edge of a line. This line is inclined at an angle of 30 millimeters. It's also important to note that this line has a length of 80 millimeters. The first step would be to draw an inclined line at 30 degrees. For this I'll use my T-square and my set square. You could construct your angle if you want. Alright, let me start lower down. So this would represent my line, which should be 80 millimeters. And AB 80 millimeters. I will be extending this to 80 millimeters. Okay, so here is 80 millimeters. It also states that the center of this circle is 35 millimeters above here, so it's 35 millimeters up. 35 millimeters. So open your, well, you may want to use your set square to measure 35 millimeters from here. I choose to use my compass to transfer my measurement. So from this point, mark a line. Next, I'll be using my T-square to establish my center. Next step is to draw the circle of radius 30 millimeters. Open my compass to 30 millimeters. Draw a circle here. Next step is to draw a line parallel to line XY at a distance of 15 millimeters, because remember the circle rolls along the edge of this line. It means therefore it is parallel. The center is always parallel to the line XY. Let me label my line XY. Open your compass to 15 millimeters. Draw a circle. Draw a parallel line to XY. It doesn't matter if this cuts inside there. Now that we have done that, the next step is to draw an arc. The center has a radial distance of this radius B 15 and 30. To do that, we need to add this radius plus the other radius. To add, we simply place our compass here at this point, or at any point, and from here to there, we pretty much add this radius to that. Then we readjust our compass from center A to B, and at the point where the arc cuts the parallel line is the center for our circle or arc. Next step is to readjust our compass to the 15 millimeters, and it should blend smoothly. Okay, and there we go. So to recap, the rule states that you always add both radius to find the center. Next thing, once a circle or radius is parallel to a line or rolls on a line, you always draw a parallel line. Once there's a straight edge and a radius or circle blends with that, you must draw a parallel line. In most cases, you must draw a parallel line, either a parallel or a perpendicular line. If the circle touches the line at a point, in most cases you have to draw a perpendicular line to that point. Alright, that's all there is to it.